Welcome back to the Yeeflow tutorial series. In this segment, we're diving into another fantastic capability, using form actions to dynamically change field values in data lists. Imagine this: you're managing tasks within a data list. Each task has a status field, and you want to allow users to reopen completed tasks with ease. Let's walk through the steps to make this happen. To begin, we'll use a data list named Tasks. This list stores tasks and features a status field with options like Not Started, Open, Completed, and On Hold. Now, let's add a Reopen this task button to the View item associated list form. From left control panel, drag and drop a button control and label it as Reopen this task. Meanwhile, correct its style based on your needs. With the button added, it's time to set up dynamic display rules. Access the Properties settings for the button, navigate to the Content tab, and find the Appearance group. Here, we'll define when the button should appear. For this case, we'll set the display rule to only show the button when the value of the status field for the task item is equal to completed. This rule will determine when the button should be shown. Before we proceed with the form action, access the Temp Variables window from the top right of the Form Designer. Create a temporary variable called Click Confirmation. By clicking the Actions button, open the Actions Management window. Create a new action named Click to Open. Now it's time to configure the steps for the Click to Open action. First, add a Confirm dialog step. This will prompt users when they click the Reopen this task button. In the Step Settings panel, set the Confirm question text to Wanna Reopen this task now. From the Result Save to Variable, choose the variable Click Confirmation to track the user's response from the Confirm dialog. Next, add a Set Variable step. This step will change the status field value to Open if the user confirms. In the execution condition, check if the value of the variable Click Confirmation is true. Choose Single Value and select the status field of the Tasks data list. Set the value to Open. Lastly, add a Submit Form step to apply the changes to the status field. In the execution condition, check if the value of the variable Click Confirmation is true. From the Submit Type setting, choose the Save option. Select the Reopen this task button in the Form Designer. In the Properties Settings panel, expand the Action group. Choose the Click to Open action from the drop-down list. Once you've set up the action, remember to save all settings by clicking the Submit button. Now it's time to test the Reopen this task functionality. If the task's status is not completed, the button won't appear. If it's completed, the button will show. Clicking the button triggers a pop-up dialog asking if you want to reopen the task. You can either click Cancel to keep things as they are, or OK to change the task's status to Open. Form actions empower you to bring dynamic functionality to your data lists, enhancing user interactions and efficiency.